Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today I will show you that how we can easily install RStudio in our system. So basically RStudio is the IDE, mainly Integrated Development Environment, is a set of tools built help you be more productive with our code. So basically using this RStudio, we can easily create different types of graph or interactive design we can easily develop. So how we can easily install the RStudio? It's very easy. So first we can simply go to this link. Here you can see this is the link. I already added this link in the video description. You can easily check it from here. So you can see install R. So basically it is the R programming language. So also you can see the install RStudio. So first of all you can simply install and download and install R. So click on here. So here you can see in this time I can get this type of things. So in this time you can simply check your operating system. You can see the Linux, Mac, also Windows. So in this time I want to download the R for Windows. So click on here. And if you want to install the first time this R programming language in your system, then click on the base. So here you can see the latest version of the R programming language for Windows 4.3.2. So just click on here. So you can see now it is starting the downloading in here. So you can see now it takes some time. It's mainly depend on your internet connectivity. So now I can see it is stored, downloaded. So this file size is the 78.8 megabyte. Okay, so after downloading these things, you can simply install it. Okay, so basically it's mainly our R programming. Okay, install it. Okay, and as well as we also need the another thing is that we also need to install it the RStudio. Okay, so further I simply click on the download RStudio desktop for Windows. So click on here. So now I can see it also starting the downloading these two file. So after downloading the two things, first of all you need to install this R 4.3.2. This file you just simply install, and after that you are just installing the RStudio. Okay, so I will show you that after completing the two things, how we can easily install it, the two files, R programming language and also RStudio, and then connect RStudio in my R programming language 4.3.2, this version. So now you can see it will be working. So basically it is define or your internet connection. Okay, so after downloading these things, simply click on here and go to your file. Here you can see this is the file which I downloaded for this R programming language. So further, I simply just click on here. Here you can see run as administrator. So click on here. So further, I just simply follow these steps. So here you can see, click on the yes. And also click on OK. And simply click on the next button. So these are directory. So next. Okay, next. 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 Okay, so create the desktop shortcut queue. So then simply next. Okay. So now you can see it install it. This R programming language in your system. Then simply click on the finish. So you're successfully installed it. So just simply open your you can see you just simply go to the, you can see your desktop. Here you can easily find out this folder about the R. Okay, so you can simply click on here. You can see now we can get the R console about that. But in this time I am not using it. I want to use the RStudio and use this programming R programming language. Okay, so for that so it's the default version about the R programming graphical user interface. So in this time I am using the RStudio. Okay, so for that you already I already downloaded that. You can see now it, I think it's completed. Here you can see, so RStudio, so it's completed to download it. So for that I simply install it, RStudio, and then I can easily connect it with the R programming language. So click on here. So you can see this is the folder file about that RStudio. So click on here. Here you can get about that. You can see the run as administrator. Click on here, and further you can simply install these things one by one. So click on the yes, and next, next. Okay, then next, install. So now I can see it installed the RStudio. So further we can easily use the R programming language with RStudio, and we can easily get all of those graphical user interface. We can easily create the different types of interactive. We can easily plot different types of things. So we can get the very beautiful user interface of RStudio for writing the code about R. So now click on the finish. So after doing this thing, you can simply go to your the search bar and search here, suppose R. It's the RStudio. Okay, so click on here. In this time, you can see use your machine's default 64-bit version of R. So in this time, I just simply use it, and then okay. So I can see my R studio is opening. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so just I simply take a new file, R script, and also you can see the console about that. So here you can see we can get the R 4.3.2. This version we can get from here. So basically, this is the process to install the R programming and also use the R programming language in the RStudio. So basically, in this time, we can easily get the plot and also get the different types of packages. You can easily install from here. So these type of things we can easily get from here. Also, you can see a lot of facilities you can use when you want to use the RStudio program. So I hope you can easily install the R programming and also install the RStudio. Okay, and further you face any problem, then you can simply comment. I also try to give the answer. Okay, thank you for watching that.